Utsaha Nischayat Dharyat. Rupa Goswami Pad is saying of Upadeshamrita, Utsaha Nischayat Dharyat. Because the Vaishnavas, books, these things you can't get from books. Books have gyan, and books have history and gyan, and tattva and siddhanta and lila, but they don't have bhav. They don't have bhav. They don't have feelings. That the tikas are there, but the tikakaras, that write the commentaries on Shastra, they're full of bhav. But if you have bhav, when you read their commentaries, you'll experience ras, bhakti ras. Bhav is a high state. Nishta, ruchi, asakti, bhav, prem. Bhav is the dawn of prem. Premanshu, prem kiran. So ray, we see rays of sun in the morning, but we don't see sun. Rays means light. Prabha. Mangala Prabha. They say, auspicious morning. Mangal Prabha. So this is the Bhava, this is rays. So for sure, when the dawn is there, then the sun will come. So for sure, if Bhav is there, then Prem will come. If it's Bhav in Rag Marg, if you're in Raganuga Bhakti, and cultivating Gopi Bhav, and you come to Bhav, then for sure, 100% you'll get Prema.